Hey guys, in this example, we're going to evaluate this limit, and so the first thing I would do is direct substitution. When I do direct substitution, I see sine of 0 over 0, and I know that sine of 0 is 0, and 0 is also 0, so this gives us an indeterminate form. So when I have an indeterminate form, that's when I get to use L'Hopital's rule, which says that the limit is equal to the derivative of the top over the derivative of the bottom. Please don't confuse that with quotient rule, because that's not how we find the derivative of a quotient. This is only how we can evaluate limits that are in an indeterminate form. So since I've got that, that means I can use L'Hopital's rule. Use L'Hopital. So I'm going to take the derivative of the top, and the derivative of sine x is cosine x. And the derivative of the bottom is just 1. Now I can try direct substitution again. So now let's think as x approaches 0. So cosine of 0 over 1. Cosine of 0 is 1, and 1 is 1. So 1 over 1. The answer is 1. But you knew that already because sine x over x is something that we looked at the beginning of the year. But this is a good way to where you don't have to memorize it. Boom.